Yeah.
You're getting paid a cent an hour.
Yo, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Rate your Riz on a scale of 1 to 10.
Probably like an 8.
8?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to go over this episode right now.
I have a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
What about you? Got a girl?
No.
Alright, rate your Riz 1 out of 10.
Oh, it's not a 10? It's an easy 10. It's an easy 10.
Alright, I want you to prove it to me. Alright, I'm gonna help you pick for it.
Right now. This is a test. Alright, you see? I'm trying to look for a baddie for you. Oh wait, she got a boyfriend. Fuck.
Alright.
Your wrist for once.
You got no wrist. Your wrist.
I got no wrist, dude. I'm about to raise a girl up with this. Trust.
You got that. You got that. Come on.
Brown shirt.
Say no more. But I gotta tell what I'm saying.
Say I'm not an artist, but I can picture us together. Can I get you to say something?
De frente de mí.
Treat me like what is. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. Love.
Excuse me. What's your wingspan?
I don't know.
What's your squirt radius? I'm asking you a question. What's your squirt radius? Alright, I'm gonna shoot my shot like I'm never. And I'm back here. He said no.
Damn.
Unsuccessful.
This is no.
Alright, let's move on to next.
Right. We're making an interview.
Right.
What would you rate my friend here? He's an 8th grader.
No, he's a freshman. Stop playing. He's a freshman. Oh, my fault. He's a freshman.
I rate him 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, you're a cool 8. Okay.
Good job.
You want to stop?
I'm not stop eating.
What do you have?
I have number.
Number?
Yeah.
What is number?
Dang. My number.
Ay, puta que me lo quieres, man, bro.
Hable no English.
Yeah, he's like, he came here 2 years ago.
Where you from?
Mexico.
Yo soy de Ecuador.
No puede ser, no me creas tan pendejo, por Dios. Bueno, en una noche oscura, cuando te gusta.
South America.
I know what that is.
Oh, my fault.
Mexico, not South America.
No, he's in Ecuador.
Oh, Ecuador.
Yeah.
Oh, Ecuador. See, I knew that.
Alright, well,
Hable no English.
Just say no.
No más.
Drizzy, go! Stop being a bitch. Yeah, what the fuck?
No.
Are you gay? Would you like to be interviewed?
Sure.
What would you rate my friend here, this freshman?
I can't. I'm 18. I'm 18. I'm not doing that. I'm 15. I'm not doing that.
Well, are you guys together?
What? What do you mean?
Like a couple?
No.
Oh. Just pretend you are. Anyways.
interview real quick. Do you got a man's?
Not right now.
Alright, what do you rate him 1 out of 10?
Like a 6, because he's shorter than me.
But if he was taller than you, what would you rate him?
Like a 7.
A 7? Do you have any relationship advice to give him?
Get taller.
What do you rate my friend a 1 out of 10?
A 1 out of 10?
Yeah.
Like a 2.
A 2? Relationship advice you should give to him.
Relationship advice.
Don't get him one.
Get bigger.
I need to get bigger.
Don't get him one.
Don't get in one.
Huh?
She said don't get in a relationship.
What?
She said why?
They suck.
What do you think about that? Think about what? What?
She said don't get in a relationship.
Because it sucks.
Maybe once you would stop.
Rate your Riz 1 out of 10. 10. 10? Alright, go visit that girl right there. Alright, go visit the girl behind you. What? Visit the girl behind you in blue.
Hell no, that bitch ugly as hell.
Well, you say you got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Nah, she won't see this video though.
Yeah, well, you're right. You get no views. I'm playing.
Ray Children. Let me see something.
Alright, my wrist 10 out of 10 for sure. Watch it.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Riz! Nah! Second attempt.
How about I get your snap?
Say yes. Oh, yes.
Who bagged who each other?
I bagged her.
What did you first say to her?
You can make some shit up.
I'm going on your family vacation.
Is that true?
No.
What the fuck? Excuse me? Are you guys together?
Yeah.
Together? Alright, bet. Who bagged who?
Who bagged who? Well, I DM'd her.
And that's how you. How you did it?
Started talking.
Huh? How you did it?
I was like, yo, what's up?
Just like that?
Yeah, just yo, what's up? And that's all.
Just like that. And you just magically fell in love?
I guess, yeah.
Who said I love you first?
Me.
Oh, damn, you deeply in love.
Yeah.
What's an relationship advice you give to the viewers?
Relationship advice? Just make sure you got trust and loyalty.
And good communication always wins.
W advice.
Thank you.
Huh?
Are you guys in a relationship? Yeah. So, how much would you trust each other?
Huh?
How much do you guys trust each other?
I don't even know.
Like 100 fucking percent.
Yeah.
100%. Alright, so would you guys be down to do a quick phone swap?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, let me type in my birthday. Let me type in my birthday on the passcode.
Okay, go through messages.
I left my phone at home.
Let's go on IG.
IG. Do I have to hold this? Oh. Yeah, there's this guy. Oh, who's this?
What about her?
Where's your honey? That's from
Notice how he's on delivered.
We're doing it.
Okay.
That's me. Okay.
Oh, okay, that's you.
Scared. Oh, all right.
Okay.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to call your dad and tell him you're gay right now.
Nope. Wait, what you say? No. Have you ever cheated on someone?
No, never.
How many relationships you been?
2.
2? And you all been loyal?
Yeah?
Like you're gonna be loyal to my man right here?
Bro, we're both with somebody else right now.
Oh, sorry, listen.
Yeah.
I bet. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth? I bet.
Don't do some crazy shit. Don't do some crazy shit.
Have you ever sucked a girl's tongue?
Yeah, for sure. Now, all up in that shit, yo. That shit. Yeah, you should try it. I'm not gonna lie.
I dare you to call your dad and say I'm gay.
His dad's Dawn.
Yeah, I don't have a dad.
I know you got a mom now.
Yeah, but I don't have a phone now.
Bruh.
How much do you trust each other?
We can already do this. Mom, go ahead.
How much do you trust each other?
I don't know.
Swap the phones.
Swap the phone.
My face ID already in here. It's my birthday.
What do I do?
Let's go through. Let's see.
Wait, go on the IG.
Where's the IG? What? I don't use
Nobody.
Instagram. I don't use Instagram.
Go to the IG.
Wait, who's K?
That's me.
I don't use Instagram like that.
Oh, yeah.
This is
Yeah.
a while ago.
This is a while ago. I don't use Instagram like that. What do I do? Do I just go through his stuff?
Yeah. Let's see what's in
He
here.
doesn't have any girls on Snap.
He G-ski on Snap already. Let's go on
It's
Insta.
my fault.
Nobody there either. I think no Millie's there.
Who Millie?
Who's Millie?
You know who Millie is?
Who's that?
Some Bruno.
Oh! I know her name.
I was about to say.
Who's Jake Bolton?
Jake Bones, like, it's what's fun. Olivia.
Maxie Van.
That's Max.
Who John?
John's his friend.
Oh,
That's my
no,
cousin. That's my cousin Evan.
You good.
All right, what's your relationship advice that you give out to anyone else?
Shit, this is actually, so like there's gonna be a stage where y'all just arguing and shit. You really gotta push past that so you can get to like the good shit, you know what I mean? Cause we had that stage and you just argue every day.
But you gotta get past that. You feel me?
I have a question. Last one.
Yeah.
Do you eat ass?
Fuck no, that shit nasty as fuck. How'd you eat
He
ass?
ate ass before because he said it's nasty as fuck. You're dirty.
Excuse me? Are you guys in a relationship?
Yes.
How much would you guys trust each other? How much trust do you have in each other?
A lot.
A lot?
Alright, dude, can you guys do a quick phone swap?
You already know what this is. Come on.
Phone swap.
Phone swap.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Excuse me, ma'am, who are
Wait,
you?
We're gonna start with you first. We're gonna check Insta. We're gonna check Insta. Where Insta?
On the Snap or the IG?
We're gonna check Insta.
Who's Victor?
That's me.
Okay.
Look at that. That's a lot.
I'm sweating. Trouble?
You're good.
Oh, we're almost but what did he have to do?
Streets.
Yeah.
Wait, who's Bella?
You see porn on there?
That's you, Nico. Okay.
Alright.
Y'all got it.
Y'all got it. Alright, but what's a relationship advice that you give out to anyone else?
Communicate. Trust each other.
Communicate. Be loyal.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yo, quick question. Are y'all together? No.
Bruh.
Friends? With benefits?
I didn't know friends hug like that each other.
Oh, I know you from
Yeah,
somewhere.
I know.
I know you from somewhere. So, y'all not a couple? So what y'all doing right here?
Waiting.
You got that. Really.
I hate white people. Nah, she's
Well,
actually
we're
my
gonna push
girlfriend.
past that.
She's my girlfriend.
This your girlfriend?
Yep.
You lesbian?
What?
You scissor?
No.
Yeah,
You
lying.
smell like straight weed.
Yo. What would you guys rate your wrist? What would you guys rate your wrist?
0.
1 out of 10. Oh, you split something.
I got ice cream in my mouth.
I dare you to lick it. Lick it. Get dirty.
Rate your wrist 1 out of 10.
Like 6.
6? Do you want to prove it to me?
Nah.
No? You want to prove it?
Hell no. Actually, you know what?
Come on. What's the worst thing she can say? No?
You're right.
Wait.
What's your hotmail? Hotmail, like email, Gmail. Your school email. All right. Yeah, I mean, it's a shot, right? It's a shot.
Can I ask you a quick question? What do you rate my friend 1 out of 10?
An 8.
An 8? Well, what will make you go higher?
I don't know.
If you shoot a shot like he's Devin Booker, could he bag you?
Maybe.
Do you want to snap?
Sure.
Making things happen for the people, you know what I'm saying? Alright, thank you for making this video. Stop through.
Bro, just get Excuse me? We saw you rizz up.
Alright, so like...
Oh, yeah, let me talk to you.
What was y'all doing with that walk?
We saw you rizz up. Don't worry. We got eyes everywhere.
Alright, but like, what's your rate here? I don't even know what she looks like.
You just got her snap.
Fat bitch.
I didn't see her. One girl came up saying that was another girl.
Would you like to be interviewed?
No.
Alright. Hello, what would you rate me out of 1 through 10?
A solid 5.
Okay, can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
Kiss or slap me?
Slap.
Alright, slap him.
ASMR.
I mean, we need to see harder than that. Harder.
Oh, I mean,
Wait, for that, I think I deserve a kiss on the cheek.
there's so
I think I deserve a kiss on the cheek. Wait, one more time. I didn't feel it. Yeah. No, come on. This is for the clip.
No, you gotta kiss me.
No. I did it for the clip.
Alright, we're on the run now. Alright, we're doing Busta Nut challenge on the roller coaster. No way.
Let's go! Alright, this is the before.
Guys, I'm scared, bro. Don't go here, bro.
Man, look at this bitch.
Look how big this shit
Man,
is.
this recorder so good.
Guys, I'm scared.
Chapman.
Chapman!
Just close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
He's a dream in all his mouth! Dream! Close your eyes, touch your mouth, dude!
Just a normal day, you know, I'm sitting there saying,
I love big booties. I love big booties.
you know, I'm just chilling right now. But hey. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? What do you rate my friend 1 out of 10?
Your friend 1 out of 10? A 6? Shave the mustache.
Mustache? What do you rate him?
Who?
My friend.
Like a 6. Sorry, the mustache. I would say a 2.
Y'all don't fuck with Hispanics?
It's just a mustache. It's just.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Do any of you have a boyfriend?
No.
No? Alright, what would you rate him 1 out of 10?
Like a 2. 1. Like a 5.
Why is it a 1?
Not my type. Just no.
Alright, rate your Riz 1 out of 10.
Rate my Riz?
Yeah, 1 out of 10.
Ah! I'm crazy! Help me! Help me!
What?
What the fuck? Bro, I see Taylor.
Hey, amigos.
Alright. Bro, rate your Riz 1 out of 10.
Like a 3. Not very good.
What is yours?
10.
10? Alright. You want to prove it to us?
No. Yeah, I will.
Alright. We're gonna pick a guy for you. We want you to Riz him up, alright?
Okay.
Alright, let's look for you.
Maybe I should be like, can I get your snap?
Yeah, take it.
On the way to Ready?
There you go. Hold on,
The mic. No. He doesn't want it. It doesn't work. Okay, bye guys.
What the fuck was that double? That's not a no. Yeah. Can I ask you a quick question? Quick question. Rate me 1 out of 10.
I'm good.
I think that's a 10. I'm not gonna lie. She's a. Bro, why do you come back, bro? Is this a line to get drink? I need to do a little transaction. I need to do a little refill real quick because you know we out of tickets. Check the hundreds. Only hundreds. Ooh, that's too much. Only hundreds. Hold that shit still. All right. We're gonna start through. Who's that? Hey, Jen, come here, Jen. Come here. Let me interview real quick. You want me to interview?
Interview Ashley.
I just need you to do a rating real quick. What do you rate him 1 out of 10?
A 5.
5?
That was high. 4. Wait, which one? What, Ryan? Like 4. 4.
What do you rate him?
I don't know.
Rate him.
No.
Give him a number.
No. Keep going. 4.
What do you rate him?
10.
Okay, that's W, man. Oh. Can you rate him 1 to 10?
Him?
Is this a YouTube video?
No, it's for OnlyFans.
Is this like his age? Because probably 7. But like, like what is it?
He's funny.
How old is he?
How old are you?
Yes, big lips.
That's irrelevant. How old are you?
He-
I'm guessing like 7th grade.
Him?
Yeah.
No,
What are you?
he's 18.
No way. No, you're not.
You can't just look at his info. Don't share his info.
Damn.
And I'm actually.
He said that's a fake. That's not a fake.
Here,
You want me to interview?
yeah, sure.
Wait. Hey, Mia.
Hi.
It's so long. Rate my friend 1 out of 10.
I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend too. Me as well.
I don't believe you.
I'm a spring. Look, it literally says you and me. We've been dating for 2 years.
2 years?
But me?
But as like a friendly wise, like no romantic shit. Like, what do you rate him though? Like,
I have a boyfriend.
it won't mean anything.
No. Loyal. No friendly way. Sorry,
But what's a relationship advice that you give to anyone?
With what?
A relationship advice.
If they still talk to their ex, you're fucked, buddy. Run away. Never stop fucking with them. It's true because I've been there, done that. Bye.
Yeah, that's all.
Trust and communication is key.
Yeah, communication is key. Yes.
All right. Thank you. We'll move on to the next person. All right. That's the next one. Oh, are you guys together? Are you guys together? No. Then what's this? Like.
I'm standing.
Come on.
Excuse me. Can I guys ask you something? Yes. All right. What do you rate my friend 1 out of 10? What do you rate him 1 out of 10?
Allie, go ahead. Okay. 5.
He's in a relationship. This is the main guy. This is the main guy. Yeah. Look at it. Curly hair, nice jawline, little mustache, single. He's single, ready to mingle.
We're gonna go with 5 again.
Short. 5 sounds like a good
Bro,
answer.
if he was taller, what would you rate him?
He's not tall though.
But what if he was?
Maybe a 6.
Yeah, 6. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
This friend is kind of nervous, but it's pretty fun. Hooray! Kind of set him up. He's single. He's fine as fuck. Has good lips. Yeah, he's curly headed. He has abs. He plays soccer. He's ass. I'm better than him. But anyways.
All right, guys, this is the end of the vlog. All 4 of us are leaving. What do you guys say, Gypsy? How was today?
It's kind of mid. I saw some man.
How was today?
Man, she was alright, bruh. Better things could have happened, but you know what I'm saying? We on the rise right now, so just tune into the next video.
They always tell me how my story's supposed to go, but nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
They always tell me how my story's supposed to go. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.